Building a 100 crore company with 0 employees is no longer a theoretical exercise. The mechanics to execute this as a single individual already exist. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently predicted we are approaching the first single-person billion-dollar company. Current AI tools provide an individual founder with the output capacity previously reserved for entire corporate departments. This is an analytical framework for executing a high-scale business, requiring the same rigor as any traditional startup. The math of a 100 crore business is simple. At an annual lifetime value of 30,000 rupees per user, you need 33,000 customers. Reaching this scale requires a pricing strategy of 2,000 to 3,000 rupees a month, stocking recurring revenue without high upfront costs. Solo founder scale is now a strict math problem solved through optimal pricing and customer retention. This model allows a founder to bypass traditional coding requirements and the heavy overhead of a large team payroll. Your primary role shifts to systems architecture. You spend your time plugging AI agents together to handle your marketing, operations, and support. AI executes 80% of the repetitive heavy lifting, while you reserve 20% for human oversight. Neglecting that 20% human layer is a critical failure point. Users eventually require a real person to handle complex problems and maintain trust. True success in this model requires the technical discipline to orchestrate a complex network of bots running simultaneously. This matrix evaluates the 2 primary ways to charge your customers, measuring lifetime value against customer acquisition costs and predictability. A subscription model, typically $1,500 to $2,000 a month, provides predictable monthly cash flow. This allows you to plan your reinvestment into growth with high precision. This model demands constant value delivery. If the product stops solving the user's problem for even a week, they will cancel. One-time sales create the illusion of high revenue, but you are forced to pay high customer acquisition costs every day just to maintain your baseline. Recurring subscriptions are the only sustainable path for a solo founder. Relying on constant new customer acquisition is impossible without a dedicated marketing department. High-margin AI tools succeed by targeting personal growth and human insecurities. People pay a premium for digital assistance during high-stakes life transitions. An AI dating coach combines automated conversational guidance with a premium human mock date service for the final 20. This addresses a massive skill gap in India, though the trade-off is a naturally high churn rate once the user successfully lands their target job. AI astrology and spiritual tech platforms merge traditional data with highly personalized AI insights. This creates high daily engagement, but requires navigating a crowded market and the ethical responsibility of managing personal beliefs. These profitable solo businesses succeed by offering a digital safety net for high-stakes emotional problems. B2B services offer an alternative path, focusing on fewer clients at significantly higher margins. An AI WhatsApp sales copilot for SMBs provides high-margin retainers, though it demands significant time for client onboarding. AI accountability or roasting tools can generate high virality, but often face a short life cycle as the novelty wears off for the client. Niche data analysis tools like Julius AI allow you to operate as a fractional data scientist for e-commerce stores, analyzing complex sales data instantly. Handling a company's internal sales data requires absolute commitment to data privacy to maintain professional trust. B2B AI services require less marketing effort than consumer apps, but they have a much higher threshold for security and reliability. This architecture serves as the virtual staff of your company, automating everything from ad creation to lead qualification. AI voice agents from Vapi provide 24/7 lead qualification, handling initial inquiries and sending payment links without your involvement. Ad automation via Magix dictates your spend across platforms. It requires an initial budget to burn through while the algorithm learns your audience. Meanwhile, Higgsfield generates video creatives and avatars at 0 cost. You must monitor these agents closely. Poor prompting can lead to hallucinations that alienate potential customers. Your daily workflow consists of plugging APIs together and aggressively monitoring their output for quality control. This quadrant chart identifies who is fit for the solo empire path. Treat AI as a high-stakes co-founder, requiring constant expert direction. The ideal candidate is the tech-curious orchestrator in the top right. You must enjoy learning new systems and fixing technical friction points. This path involves endless hours of A/B testing, prompt engineering, and debugging systems that fail unexpectedly. Anyone chasing a set-and-forget passive income model will fail here. Launching an app and expecting AI to handle everything independently is a myth. Without an active human layer and constant problem-solving, your automated ad budgets will simply burn your capital to zero. The tools to build a massive solo empire have arrived. But business still requires you to solve a real human problem first, using AI only as the lever to scale your solution.